You judge others with the precision of a master craftsman. You judge yourself with the mercy of a loving mother. Watch yourself criticize someone's lack of discipline while you skip another workout. Notice how you mock their poor choices while repeating your own failures daily. See how clearly you spot their patterns while remaining blind to your mirror image. Distance creates wisdom. Proximity destroys it. You become an expert in everyone else's weaknesses because it protects you from facing your own. The energy you spend dissecting their mistakes could build your character instead. Turn that sharp eye inward. Use that same analytical mind on yourself. The flaws you see so clearly in others live quietly within you too. You are not here to judge the world. You are here to master yourself. Stop being a critic of others and become a student of yourself. The same lens that reveals their failures will carve your strength. That's the marble mindset.